Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this particular video, we'll be discussing about pip in Python. So in our previous video, I was discussing about like built-in module inside Python. We have seen like different built-in module, how we can use them and all. And I already told you, instead of built-in module, we are having also another kinds of module called external module. And if I want to use that particular external module, I have to install that particular external module from different website, right? So to install that particular external module, I have to use one a package manager. Okay, that means installer manager, and that installer manager name is pip. Okay, pip in Python. So with the help of pip, actually we can install any kinds of external package from the internet. And there is a actually website I'll show you today. In that particular website, all the packages are available, all the external packages are available in Python. You can install any of the package from that particular website. Okay, and whenever you use pip package manager, that particular pip will refer that particular website to download all the packages in your system. Okay, I'll tell you each and everything. So let's get back to our code editor and try to understand this particular pip in Python. So guys, I'm inside my code editor. So here what I will do, I'll just create a file here. So let's create a file. So 13, and I'll just name it as pip underscore in Python. So here I'm going to create a .py file. That's why I'm giving this particular underscore. I already told you, if you're creating .py file, there won't be any kinds of space. Okay, that's why I'm creating this particular file. So similar wise, I will create another file called 13 pip in Python ipynb. So both Jupyter file and this Python file I will create, because in both places I will tell you how we can use this particular external module, and if I want to install them in both places, how to do it. Okay, that's why I have created this particular two file. So let's say you are creating a web application. Okay, you are creating a web application inside Python, and to create that particular web application, you want to use some library, because I think you already know Python has lots of library included in each and every domain. Let's say you are doing data science. In data science also, they are having so many library. Going forward, you will be learning. So you can use that particular library to build your machine learning model, deep learning model and all. Let's say you are doing web development. In web development also, you are having different library or module. Let's say you want to create a web application with the help of FastAPI. So FastAPI is a module or package inside Python. With the help of, you can create a web application, or let's say you can create a actually user interface. That means a UI development user interface, right? So if I want to use this particular FastAPI, so definitely first of all I have to import this particular package in my environment. And how to use the FastAPI? You can simply go to Google and you can search about FastAPI. You will see the website of FastAPI. And here you can see this particular code snippet. Okay, that's how you can use this particular FastAPI. Now see, if I copy this particular code and if I go it back to my code editor and if I paste this particular code here, now see, if I execute this particular code, what will happen? See, it's telling no module name FastAPI. This particular FastAPI is not available inside your environment. So this is called actually external package. Okay, this is called actually external package. This particular package is not installed inside my environment. I have to install this particular package externally. Okay, now if you want to install this particular package, how to install? So just copy this particular package name. Let's say FastAPI. You can also copy from the error message. I'll copy, and I will go to one website called PyPy. Okay, PyPy. So this is the Python package website. So in this particular website, all the packages are available. All the packages are available inside Python. So simply just search here. FastAPI. I'll search it here. And here you can see this particular FastAPI. Now I'll go to the FastAPI. Now you can see the command pip install FastAPI. This is the command. And here you can see this particular pip is utilizing. So pip is nothing but it's a package manager. So this is an installer actually. This particular pip will try to install this particular FastAPI from the PyPy website automatically. You don't need to manually download it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy this particular command and I'll get back. Okay, I'll get back to my Jupyter notebook. And see, if you want to install any package in the Jupyter notebook, you have to use this particular exclamation sign, and then you have to paste this particular command. Okay, pip install FastAPI. See, you have to give this particular sign, otherwise it won't be working. Now see, if I execute this particular line, this particular package will get installed here. Now you can see download had started and it installed successfully. Okay, now see, if I execute this particular program will work. See, now this particular program is working fine. Okay, this particular program is working fine. Now let's say you don't need this particular FastAPI, you can also uninstall it. So for this, what you have to do, you can copy this particular command, take a new cell, and only you just need to mention uninstall. Okay, instead of install, you have to give uninstall this particular package. Okay, now if I again execute, it will uninstall this particular package from here. So you can see uninstall is done. Okay, that's how you can also install, uninstall any kinds of package. Okay. And now if you want to use this particular .py file, so here how to install this particular package. Okay, see, if you install one time, so you can use any of the file. Okay, you don't need to again install that particular package. So I already uninstalled, that's why again I'll tell you how to install it. So here I already told you, you have to take a terminal here. I think you remember how to take a terminal. So this is my terminal, and you can see I'm using my base environment. Okay, so let me clear this particular terminal. See, here you can write this particular command, the same command. So I'll copy from this particular website, pip install FastAPI. And here I'm going to paste this particular command. So here I'm going to paste this particular command. Okay. Now if I hit enter, see, this particular package would be installed. Okay. Now I can use it here. So how to use it? So there is a guideline from the FastAPI. So here you have to use it like that. You can see from FastAPI, import FastAPI. They're doing like that. I can copy this particular code. And here I'm going to mention it. Okay. This is the entire code. Now let me save it. Ctrl S. And now I'm going to execute this particular file. If I want to execute, I'll just write Python. This is 13 this particular .py file. Now see, if I hit enter, this program is working fine without any error. That means this particular package have installed successfully in my system, right? Now see, it's not showing me any kinds of web page, because if you want to launch the web page, so you can see. So if you want to launch this particular web page, so you will need to add this particular line, app run. And inside app run, you have to mention the host and port number. See, as of now, I'm not teaching any kinds of web development. I'm just only showing you, okay, how we can use this particular Python package like to do our work. Okay, we don't need to write this particular code from scratch. Instead of that, we can use their functionality, and we can easily create our web page and all. So now see, this particular code is updated. Now I'll save it, and I will again execute this particular code. Okay, my .py file. Now see, this server has started. You can see this is my web server. Now it is running on localhost port number 8080. I'll go to my Google. And here I will search for localhost port number 8080. Okay, now if I search it, see, this is my web page. Okay, hello world is running. You can see here I'm returning hello world. Okay, message would be hello world. So that's how actually we can easily create a web application, web server, and we can do the web development with the help of this particular FastAPI. And we can install this particular package with the help of Pig Package Manager. Okay, this is the simple idea. Now let me stop the execution. Apart from that, actually, we are having so many external packages inside Python. Let's say we are having Pandas. So to install the Pandas, you can write just pip install Pandas. Okay, now see, it will install the Pandas in your environment. So Pandas we use whenever we'll be working with the data in our machine learning, deep learning. That time actually Pandas will be using. Apart from that, NumPy, Matplotlib, Cbond, you can simply go to this particular PyPy website and you can check. Okay, all of the packages are available. Okay, I already told you no need to explore all of them because there are thousands packages are available. We'll be only using those are the packages which is required in our project. Okay, that's the idea. Now if you want to check the package you install, it is available in your environment or not, you can execute this particular command called pip list. Okay, pip list. So pip list will list down all the packages actually it is installed inside this particular environment. So install this particular FastAPI, so it should be available. Let me show you. So FastAPI, I think it is there. FastAPI. Yes, you can see FastAPI, it is installed here. Okay, so yes guys, this is all about our pip in Python, and I think you got to know how we can install external package with the help of this particular Pip Package Manager. With that guys, thank you so much for watching this particular video, and I will see you next time.